So, should you make a separate channel for your YouTube Shorts? In this video, I'm going to be explaining some of the pros, cons and tips that I've used to get a brand new channel from 0 subscribers to over 8,000 subscribers and over 1 million views in just under 30 days. And also, if you stay tuned until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you the opportunity of a lifetime. So before I go ahead and spill the beans on all my tips and tricks that I've used to grow on YouTube, let me start by explaining that right now we're experiencing the biggest shift in influence on YouTube in probably the past decade. So if you're willing to stop procrastinating and act now, then you can take a piece of the pie. Because YouTube definitely isn't oversaturated and there definitely is space for you. Honestly, I owe the success of my latest YouTube cash cow channel completely to YouTube Shorts. For those of you that are new to YouTube Shorts is basically a short form video feature, a bit like TikTok or Instagram Reels, that consist of vertical videos less than 60 seconds long. And because this is a new feature that YouTube hasn't properly released yet, YouTube is absolutely pumping it with that algorithm juice. Beautiful algorithm juice. So before I get into the nitty gritty of the video, I'd really appreciate it if you could drop me a like, subscribe to my channel, as this really helps my channel grow and will make me appear here every single week to bring you a new video. So one of the many reasons that I would choose to make a separate YouTube Shorts channel would be because of the liquidization of your current videos. I say this as to take full advantage of YouTube Shorts, you need to post consistently and you need to post a lot. This dilutes your upload section on your YouTube channel and makes it harder for your audience to find the content that really matters and ultimately pays you that Wi-Fi dollar. Another thing that I really don't like about YouTube Shorts is how the analytics of your YouTube Shorts can play havoc with your current analytics. I'm one of those people that love to check their analytics, so to see my average watch time go from like 20 minutes down to 20 seconds because of a YouTube Short that blew up is just And though we currently believe that the analytics from YouTube Shorts don't actually make a difference to your current analytics in the sense of where your videos place in the ranking, you really never know. Personally, I'd rather not risk it. Another thing is that some people believe that the massive amount of views and subscribers that they're gaining from YouTube Shorts will help them get monetized faster. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Unfortunately, the watch times that your YouTube Shorts accumulate do not currently count towards your monetization goal. And to be honest, I don't think that'll ever change, and here's why. So last month, YouTube announced that at some point in 2021, towards the end of this year, they will be monetizing YouTube Shorts. However, it won't be in a conventional way, and it'll work more like Snapchat Spotlight or TikTok. But the best thing is, you won't need to be a part of the YouTube partnership program to be eligible to get monetized on your YouTube Shorts. So now let's move on to the cons of uploading your YouTube Shorts on your YouTube channel. First of all, YouTube Shorts have a much higher chance of going super viral and gaining way more subscribers than your current channel even has right now. And whilst at first this might seem like a waste, let me explain to you a hack that I used to take advantage of this. So basically at the end of all of my YouTube Shorts, I was using a call to action, asking people to not only subscribe to that channel, but to subscribe to my main channel to learn more. And this was the absolute turning point for me. You would not believe how much success I had with this. It was insane. Because not only did it work, but it brought thousands of subscribers along with it. And of course, not everyone will subscribe to your main channel. However, that's not such a bad thing, as having non-active subscribers on a channel can actually harm your channel more than it can benefit it. Yeah, it may look like you've got more subscribers, but if your subscribers aren't actively engaging with your videos and your content, then it's actually bad for the algorithm and your videos will place lower in the ranks and will actually hurt the growth of your channel. Personally, I have a huge interest in YouTube Shorts and I've been using them since day dot to grow my cash cow channels. Therefore, I will start making more content about YouTube Shorts, so make sure to smash that subscribe button and get notified every time I post. So now for the juicy part. I'm going to offer somebody that's watching this video co-ownership of a YouTube cash cow channel that I own, and using the power of YouTube Shorts, we are going to blow it up. So if you want a chance to work with me and co-own a channel with me, then drop a comment in the comment section below explaining exactly why, what you can bring to the table. Don't forget to include your socials and I'll slide into those DMs. As always, if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, as I do reply to each and every single comment. Until next time, keep hustling.